in fact, the Electoral Commission describing it as incompetent. Maminji Munchemu kakra. Rokodo Ponkroma and the Kasa Edema Abain any penny on the election petition. Honorable Memache. Congratulations, so honorable.
To Ghana Yinara say ye to me a your friend eighth parliamentary dispensation and a second term of a Mampeni Adanko Kufuado. Namisama wouldn't wait here for you now, so official.
I think committee honorable. Describing election petition as incompetent. Any woman.
And we a lawyer for Brofo. To go say Obeka say incompetent, a frivolous, a vexatious. A lawyer for Brofo. So be the BB Kodan in court. Na Udi Gunsen na adekono ababi anymore. Potokasa and only a describe us abieno. Say we are we pay the Abadan court no a Hurada. Him a Mugu until be a court no and to entry. Esan say we a dear friend election petition said then the election petition. Sebi any diminish or the crat be a court to court kekeni a friend election petition. And now I could in court Akikebi any a friend election petition. Ghana Supreme Court no. What on the watch ready a election petition properly called. Ye de Ebedan court. Court bisi hunkunya ase ni bre aship. Na say Ira Mahamane lawyer for the crat be court. Say election petition on the abano. No na Mampeni Akufuado. And then a lawyer for lawyer Akutuampao. Lawyer Frank Davis on that MPP legal team now. Only lawyer for Penny Fujina or Martina say response. At the Aquacoma Supreme Court and say, Tadiana Union Mendisi for the Ababeto on a who the Hurada Ababi and Him. It is a court no pa. Say any many acro to me touch me. For person Musin Kunyano Mukum assassin Sebise Panicunia Habai Swa, Ombenia Brennan assassin, actually, and Mobia was every name. Didn't know almost every name. Says Okasa election petitioner. Who could not court and no actually say be a banner ye 2 year no. They are potokasa me friend the validity of the election. A banner kasano yantuni ye be a by 2 years in Kofobi Brian to be in Kofo Usheni Padoma ye preventive so Montua banana electoral more practices I course. To us sini na nanka court na usampa. Abaya ye say atu na we dinkuni Musheseni and Kofobi Brian more manto. And electoral offenses and more practices a course so the materiality send your door so far no. Into me my shaba we eneman kase ampeni ampa ba we eya ba papa yidina so de koyeni. And now say be a obekase abani die ye sha ye tu ni problem ni ho. Ni padodo to ye electoral more practices be any ho. Nemum. So what results are about to my ku impending for no be declare na. Any abanan kasa anko for 2 years a bwebra. Kwa be na be first watch be about so pink sheet ni nani. Ne pink sheet ni na minya say. And so mo boy no mo adane no say minya say. That is what say yes about one and kasa validity of the election na problem no. Na results no kwa o ma first wa boss our results no any actual results no e bwebra. Let's say why the election petition party Abedan court no. Union Ura Mahama call court no Uncle Council call no say is your bar penny Jean Mensa 9th December no all your announcement no na fun ye. Na no na fun ye bi ni say baby also can total valid votes or can total votes cast. Baby also can total votes cast or can total valid votes. Nanone from ye. And baby also account 51.295% or account 51.952%. It is a offer 51.952% no now this is here. Abanebe bro 100%. And at the tossumi and so almost say at the 18 and we issue press release so they correct it. Their protocols and make us a mispronouncements now or yeah no. Now sa press release no cry na mistakes wo mu a Emma or more say Emma bibi o friend vote pardon by 6,000 votes. Make as another BT if we Mahama by 500,000. Or mom say mistake a bad statement ni mono amounted to vote partner of very 6,000 votes. I feel the chat from say into so some mistakes winning now kofa or my true mudin na what Techiman South. Now soon say or munina babe to a bar or the kahwa abano ibia nana kufuado unya more than 50%. And nunti no court no and sign results na easy edibeto abon tena court in order say enkoto aban foforo
vote pardon 6,622 votes
and on American be 6,000 ode open craft akodu 7,000 obi between 500,000 we say press statement na easy issue on the 10th they corrected the mispronouncement of the first day no amounted to vote pardon of BBS would have 7,000 po. Who are brand new between 500,000. They are no court no international since na on train results and sign no my into aban for. They are no man penny in lawyer for omo answer on the court and say eh who da baby any. Say o ma say na say ma me na no from ye da or your announcement. And that's omo court to the actual results of the election. The friend of form 13 no. Abaya tono in 275 constituencies or pink sheet ni na kika boom na big dina court na katin se me kika boom no send ya medi kan katire me supporters e wo krum se me winni na obi area me no ampani ampa me kika pink sheet ni na boom na me winni nti me results ni e no ma bo bibi foforo so wo mambe ye no nkire court no wo mambe kire court ne se e bi aba no defective because you Anton Wahana electoral malpractice Wahani. That's a wasem na ne say mamino na announcement or yen sa dan edikan na no from me. Na official results no form 13 no cramp wo pese obehwe no. Dia wa sign ye no kan wasem wo pese obehwe no dia. O man penin lawyer for asem say eye huru da anti court no man ha no. Opa to me boku sa abria. So pese o msin kunya so na say omo edom wasukona ochire ni na ba ko so betumi so aye no so anti no nin komo man pani lawyer Akutampa lawyer Frank Davis ni lawyer for Kukudamwa omo no omo wo man pani team no mo dia akodan court no.
Okay, honorable mamenju adwenche we ho Ora Mahama ni petition no oche say voter epie mu e Techiman South constituency si ade ni nyina ka ono ne de no ho a ANDC for de no ho a enya de Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ko benya 50% plus 1 vote no no be ya no saying
it kind they are all kind hypothetical say voter o ma na atro mudin wo Techiman South si de ni nyinara eka ono ne de ho a eno na obi enya 50% it kind abana ye announce na nya hypothetical actual Techiman South pink sheet na wo ho ntinya afi na obi best say ye de ni nyina pink sheet no wo ho nipa be 99,436 a eto aba total vote cast of Techiman South no enye sa afi na obi de na adwen best say actual result no wo ho baby Nana Addo nya ne de baby Ayura Mahama nya ne de say 46,000 and 52,000 ni na wo ho ndi won to me mba me hypothesis say aka ama ye de ni na koka we de ho a mpacho what dey American as it because actual result no wo ho nti first of all a hypothetical argument say nti aka ama wo de ni na koka we de ho a eno no enyina ne na so enye hypothesis ye actual. Secondly, Techiman South no enye a hypothesis of Oma na atro mudin na na wo de beka total vote cast ho a ye ka ho asemu ye ka nipa he ne to aba ma na Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo na nipa he ne to aba ma Ayura John Dramani Mahama nti undumi ma me ka se aka ma ye de Techiman South ni na akoka we de ho a da bi ye ka no plain say nipa he ne to aba ma Ayura Mahama nipa he ne to aba ema Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo sa result ni na wo ho a wo de ka ho a pink sheet ni wo ho to mo fa nka ho prekwan Ndubon say Nana Addo lawyers no court on be chere court no be demonstrate say Techiman South pink sheet na no ni faka ho e mass faka ho nyina na ye say dia wo ka no nyina na so an nyina na Nana Addo no lawyers be demonstrate say